Hi, my name is Eli from All City Lock and Safe. We are located here at 3635 Fort Apache Road, suite number 204 in Las Vegas. Our phone number is 702-804-1002. Today we're going to talk about key cutting. The most important thing about key cutting is that our machine is calibrated daily. There are no issues with cutting keys here at our store. When you cut keys at our store, they are guaranteed to work no matter what it is. We are here to service you 5 days a week, plus on Saturday we're open from 9 to 1 in regards to all your key cutting needs.